What's going on? Must be my roommate having a party again. I'm trying to sleep here, buddy. Wait a minute. Am I sleeping? Or is this room tilted? Okay, that's definitely not the roommate. Hey, I need help here. Hey, can anybody hear me? The second class hosted 285 people. Where are they now? I don't like it. Hello? Anybody? Who dropped all this luggage here? Whoa. The unsinkable Titanic is sinking. Really? Oh boy. You must be kidding me. The White Star Line promised to treat me like a king. Is this your idea of royal service? Oh, my cat. I paid £13 for this adventure. I could pay the same money and rent a big house in London for a whole year. And I would stay perfectly safe. Silly me. What am I supposed to do now? They say the water temperature is 27 degrees. I don't even have a life vest. Oh, it's so cold. I'm about to turn into an iceberg. Wow, I can't believe I've managed to get out. It's a boat. Great. No time to explain. Let's go. Whew. Hey, buddy, are you okay? Can I have a wool blanket, please? And, give me back my 13 pounds.
Whoa! I've never seen anything like this!
Just try and stay afloat. We'll be with you soon.
You need to hurry! That tornado's getting closer!
We'll be as quick as we can.
I'm really struggling here. I'm plotting a course back home.
Copy that. We have your location.
It's a good thing I don't get seasick. Things are about to get bumpy. Whoa! That was close. Gotta keep going. Wow, I can't believe I made it.
Are you okay?
A little shaken up, but I'm still here.
Glad to hear it. That was a close call.
I think I might have a bigger problem. Tsunami! I have to get to the surface. Oh, the current's just too strong. I've got to get back to the yacht. Oh no, my yacht!
Radio check. This is Quinn Mary 2. This is your captain speaking.
Right rudder, 90 degrees! Oh, too late! My head! Cap, are you okay?
I'm okay, but the ship is not. Attention! Attention! This is your captain speaking. We have an emergency. This is not a drill. All passengers and crew, please proceed immediately to the lifeboats and leave the ship as soon as possible. I repeat, all passengers and crew,
Hey Cap, my ship is sinking too, but I have a spacious boat. I can take some of your passengers on board.
Thanks, but we have enough places in life capsule.
Okay, Cap, say no more. Listen, I need to switch off for a while. The tugboat is about to sink, but I'm taking my radio with me.
Gotcha. Tell me if you need any help.
Radio check. Captain, how are you doing?
It's fine. All people are safe. Everyone left the ship, including me. Tough day, huh?
Yeah, what a sight.
Don't worry. Both ships are insured. Thank goodness nobody was hurt.
Yeah, so what's the plan now?
Rescue team will arrive in a few minutes. We'll wait for them. It would be better if you come with us.
Oh, I thought you'd never ask.
You're so funny. Come on, we'll pick you up.
What a wonderful day. Wow! Did you see that? No, tsunami! Let's just try to run away from the waves. Whoa! Oh no. Oh no. Here we go! Okay, hold on tight. Take a deep breath and don't look down. The water is very close. Oh no. Whoa! Oh, watch out! Not ready to give up yet. The water is coming. Oh, thank goodness. Here we go. Hope this way works. Wow, the entire island is sinking. No, the wave is already here. Phew. That was close, huh? The lighthouse, of course. Whoa! Surviving this kind of adventure is like winning a lottery.
Hey, there's a rope. Seems like this plan is safer than going back downstairs. Wish me luck, Snake. Ah! Wow! I can't believe I'm still alive. Oh, come on! Give me a break, little monsters! If I survive this quest, my friends will never believe me. No! Get off me! No! Please, let me go! Ah! Whoa! What was that? Thanks! Ah! I want to live! I've got so many dreams to accomplish! Hey, wait a minute. You saved my life. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's leave this cursed island as soon as possible. Okay, what do we have here? Sorry, but I'm gonna have to borrow this kayak. Wish me luck. Ready or not, here I come. Whoa! Oh, nobody warned me about all these obstacles. Phew. I'm getting too old for this stress. Waterfall? Ah! Hey guys! I'm over here!
Great catch. Hey, boss, look what we've got here.
Well, great job, guys. We'll get a good ransom.
Huh?
Look out! Watch your heads!
I gotta get out of here! Phew! All my bones are intact. Guess today's my lucky day. Ah! Oh, it's you.